We're now on step 11 of our home addition project, installing insulation. After passing all rough-in inspections, this step is crucial for energy efficiency and comfort before the drywall goes up. Step 11, insulation. After the rough-in inspections for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical are passed, it's time for insulation. Before drywall goes up, the insulation inspection must be completed. Tip for homeowners: make sure insulation is installed evenly and completely, with no gaps around pipes, ducts, or wiring. This ensures energy efficiency, proper airflow, and prevents future issues like drafts or moisture problems. Common mistake: skipping inspection or uneven insulation, which can lead to failed inspections and extra work. If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable, stress-free contractor who delivers real quality and value, we're here to help. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we specialize in home additions, full house remodels, kitchen and bathroom renovations, and design-build projects of any size. No matter how big or small your project is, our goal is to make the entire process simple, organized, and stress-free from start to finish. Here are 10 reasons homeowners choose DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling. Free design consultation. We help you create a functional, well-planned layout that makes the most of every square inch of your home. Guided by our professional designer. Transparent estimates. You'll receive a detailed, itemized scope of work with no hidden fees. Licensed and insured team. Fully certified to work in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Permit and inspection support. We handle all the paperwork and code compliance for you. Dedicated project manager. One point of contact for smooth communication throughout your project. 3D design and visualization. See your project in detail before we build. High-quality craftsmanship. Built to last using trusted materials and skilled professionals. On time, on budget completion. We value your time and budget with professional scheduling and updates. Clean and organized job sites. We treat your home as our own house. Clean, safe, and well cared for. Customer satisfaction guarantee. We're not done until you're completely happy with the results. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we take pride in every detail because we treat your home as our own house. So if you want a remodeling experience that's professional, organized, and completely stress-free, call us today at 703-980-3266 or book your free virtual consultation using the link below in the description to choose a time that works best for you. There's absolutely no cost. We'll talk about your project, answer your questions, and help you plan the next steps with confidence. We look forward to helping you make your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable. And that's it for step 11, insulation. With everything evenly installed and inspected, the home is now ready for drywall. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss step 12 in our home addition series.